Beast, Dragon, Mech, Pirate, Undead. Maybe Marion for a change? Let's give it a shot. Patchwork is fine, but let's mix it up a bit. Hmm. I could go for these two. I mean, leveling is an option as well, but Drunkard will mess it up again. Oh, let's give it a shot. Maybe we'll hold something. Oh my god, what are these? Disgusting. Attack 10 times is doable. 2 lesser trinkets. Eternal Summoner for 20 spells is probably way too slow. You just do this, right? And go for the Divine Shields. I could level. It's probably better to level. Yeah, sure. What do I go for? Dragon? Oh my god. I was hoping for something like, I don't know, the one that buffs spells. Or something like that. Oof, this is rough. Yeah, that's the one. At least it's die. Actually, a victory, my bad. Revenge, I don't know. Couple of goldens. Ooh, Macau. Dragon is intriguing as well. Macau locks us into some Death Rattle build, which is either Undead or Beast. Neither of which I'm happy about. I think it's the Hooktail. It's a lot of attack from Hooktail. Oh, that damn Windfear. I could have finished by now. Oh well, it's probably better to finish next turn anyway. We can grab a 6 rob next turn. I would like not to take damage here. It's unlikely, but still. Well, actually, it's over 50%, all things considered. Oh. So close. Monthly 5 is fine. Macau. Macau now. With battle cries without trigger. It's probably just money, right? Poltron. Goldrin. Let's do chicken. That's juicy. Undead might actually be on the table. We've got the Macau here as well. And we've got the Poltron already. And that's acceptable. This could be buffs for our spells. Never mind, but the gift horse is even better. Make beast, sure. We definitely don't need to go to 6. Grave Robber. That might come up. Gold ring, maybe. I think it's undead from here on out. Just to be sure. Yeah, it's definitely undead from here on out. Well, we still don't know the spell power buffs. It still might change, actually. I can sell free and go for the Titus straight away. I'm not getting a 6 drop there, but that should be alright. Yeah, I definitely need to find a tier 4 on that. And rebound for this and this. So many things I need to find. Here we go. So, triple this, rebond this, with Fury as well. And that should be it. I'm not needing this right now, do I? My chicken! Yeah, it's fine. We are so much stronger now. Maybe actually those pens weren't so bad. This full Poltron, sure. Yeah, that's why I should have taken the pants. Even the gold would be perfect. I could have de-shielded this. On the other hand, maybe it's not even so good to de-shield it. I'm going to miss one here, but that's alright. Stop killing bad chicken! Oh my god. Well, I can't complain. This is a triple. This is a triple. Second chicken. Don't mind if I do. Third chicken would be nice, but that's not happening. Just maybe. Do I care? Chicken's better, right? No chickens for me. Replicating menace, that's the question here. I definitely want to triple the chicken eventually. Our hand is going to get full really quickly. Alright, tripling the chicken would be really nice, eh? Nope. My hand is way too full. This was useless, right? Oh well. That was way closer than I wanted it to be. I cancel this, but I need to replace it with something. Ideally the same thing. Endless maybe? I need to do better. And I'm not doing better. It's one more roll in this. Actually, maybe we are fighting a ghost. We should have enough tokens. Yeah, that sucks. Wait, I'm not getting my full milk, am I? I am, alright. That was close. I'm gonna be worried. Definitely got me worried for a moment. Pirate, potential for cleave, that's not good. If worse comes to shove, I will have to play this. Doggo, please. Hello, doggo. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Hello. Ah, I have to play the rat. That's not ideal, but it's doable. 800 attack sounds fair. Maybe protection Achilles like this. We should be able to finish this game now. No cleave. That's anticlimactic. And there goes GG's. Man, I love the chicken. GG's, guys. GG's.